We look tea, honey, period.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for a year.
All right, my love, so let's go ahead and jump into our vacation glam. Okay, so this is the look you want to pull out that bag when he takes you on vacation and fly you out, or you going on a girls trip. So I did do my eyebrows off camera. We're going to jump straight into my skin prep. I did moisturize my skin off camera as well, but now we're priming with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer because I just feel like that just gives me that like hydrated, you know, just very much we are outside kind of skin. Next up, I showed you guys the 2 foundations that I'm using. The shades are going to be linked down below, but I'm mixing these 2 foundations to get the finish that I want. And also one shade was too light for me. The other was too dark for me. So this is just how I bridge the gap, and it literally gives me the finish that I want. Okay, this is going to help with the longevity of my makeup, but also look very healthy, very glowy, and very I got flued out. Okay, so we're just blending this out. By the way, the background looks crazy. If you know how messy a hotel room can get. But anyways, we're going to jump into my favorite concealer. This concealer is expensive. It's very expensive, but the Hourglass concealer is that, girl. It literally is amazing. My heart came out so bad, like, oh my god, it was bad, but it's okay. For my contour shade, I like this shade. It's very, very warm. I'm going to use the Juvias Place Radiance foundation, and that is in shade 3. We're going to use that to warm up my skin. So I already got a tan while on vacation, so this wasn't as dark as it usually is on me, but it still got the job done. So we're just going to go ahead and blend this out. Yeah, I was lit. I was listening to some Afro beats. I have been into Afro beats. Like, somebody take me to Africa right now because the vibes are just vibey, okay? Period. So after we blend everything out, we're going to go ahead and blend out my concealer. I'm using my Real Techniques brush. My favorite brushes are always typically inexpensive. I like to use Real Techniques. I like to use e.l.f. brushes. Girl, I will grab a pair of brushes from Amazon, okay? We gonna get a job done, period. So we're just blending this out using tapping motions. After everything's blended, we're going to go ahead and blend out our nose contour, making sure everything is giving very much snatched, okay? We're going to take the Juvias Place liquid blush, and this is in Lily Glow, and we are just going to just blend that out. I was very light-handed with it, but the Glow formulas are not as pigmented as the original formula, so keep that in mind. For setting powder, I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder, and this is in shade Banana Bread. Love this setting powder, like low-key like it better than my Laura Mercier, which had me in a chokehold for like 5 years. So that means a lot. But anyways, we're just setting everywhere we apply concealer. Then we take the remaining powder and set our whole entire face so everything could be nice, matte, and it just does not fall off because we are in Key West and the heat is crazy out here. So now I'm going to take this Roxy I Heart Revolution blush palette, and we're going to take the lighter portions of the blush, and we're literally just digging in all those shades and putting that over our Lily Glow. And then with the Remedy by Ari Cosmetics, we're going to take the lip liner. I believe this is in shade Souffle, but I'm going to link it down below. Now, this shade was a little bit darker than I wanted it to be, but we ended up getting it together. And one thing about me, I'm going to overline them lips, okay? My lips is already big, but we can always go a little bigger, and then a little bigger, and then a little bigger with the liner, that is. Because if you do that with the filler, hey, who knows? But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and line our lips, making sure we're giving juicy. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys the final look. So for our setting spray, we did go ahead and use the new Juvias Place Ready Set Sealed, which I'm going to be doing a full review on that soon. But this is what my face is looking like after we sprayed our face down. And we are just drying her. This spray is really, really good. Like, I love it, okay? But like I said, I'm gonna do a full review for you guys. This is how the spray, like the mist looks. Like you see, I've had spray bottles that are terrible. They do not mist as well as this one, but this one has a great mister. So we just love that. This is the final look. I was taking some pictures, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so you guys can see the full look. But yeah, this is the face. It's very much giving. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a big thumbs up, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Also, I'm so sorry that the ending is like so choppy. You know, just being on vacation, things can get very, very crazy, very, very hectic, but I'll be dropping a vlog very soon so you guys can see how the full trip went.